Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another SSD. This time it's from a company called iDSONIX. This is the i7000PRO SSD with read speeds up to 7000 megabytes a second, and the storage capacity it's 1 terabyte. We have some features right here on the side. Speed up tool, so they got their own software, professional chip, not sure what that means, and stable transmission. So yeah, basically features like any other SSD, I guess. This is a Gen 4 drive. We have some specs in the back actually. So NVMe M.2 i7000PRO M key up to 7000 megabytes a second again, 3D NAND flash, 2280 is the size, and it working environment temperature it's from 0 degrees up to 70 degrees Celsius. Energy conservation and environmental protection, superior performance, unmute, I'm not sure how is that a feature on an SSD, safe and reliable. So yeah, pretty much that's it with the box. We're gonna unbox it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we will put it to the test. I am gonna do a crystal disk benchmark on it to see the actual speeds we're getting. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it and see what we get inside. Okay, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. We have a M.2 screw, which is nice to see because most of the SSD companies do not include this, and these are really easy to get lost, and you can't really find them in a regular people house. So if you're not into this kind of stuff, you'll have to buy one. So they already included one, which is nice. We have a user manual telling you how to install it and all of that. Make sure you give it a read. We have the main SSD, which is here, and we have a heatsink, which is nice to see. So they included a heatsink for us. We have a bottom part, which is the metal one on the bottom. We have a top part, and they also included some thermal pads to put in between the two metal bits. Now coming to the SSD, this is how the SSD looks like. PCIe 4.0 NVMe i7000PRO. I like the gold and black accent. It really goes well with the ASUS Creator motherboard. 1 terabyte is the size. We have some serial numbers. This has a 5-year warranty, if I'm not mistaken, which is nice to see. So yeah, pretty much that's it. That's what you get inside the box. I'm gonna go ahead now and plug it into my PC, and we are going to do some speed tests. I'm gonna show you guys what the actual speed is. Hopefully it's the speed they claim in. We're gonna put it into a PCIe Gen 5 slot, which also supports Gen 3 and Gen 4 and whatever. So we're giving it the best scenario. So yeah, let's see if the claims are correct. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so the SSD is fully installed. I am using it as my C drive. I don't know if you guys can see iDSONIX 1 terabyte, which has about 953 gigabytes usable space. It is installed in a PCIe Gen 5 that is compatible with Gen 4 and Gen 3, so it's more than enough bandwidth and everything it needs for it to reach its maximum full potential. So we're going to go ahead now and do a crystal disk benchmark. This is a pretty reliable benchmark. This is the basic settings. C drive, 953 gigs. I'm just gonna press all, and we're gonna wait for it to load, and I am going to show you guys the final results. Okay, so the benchmark, it's done. We have quite impressive results. So as you can see, the read speeds are about 7,120 megabytes a second, and the write speeds are 6570 megabytes a second, which is really, really fast, considering this is a 1 terabyte drive. So iDSONIX really uses true marketing, if that's even a thing nowadays. Some people say, some other companies, some other SSD companies that I tested before, they claim some speeds, but they never reach that speed. So good job, iDSONIX. This is a really good drive. If you guys are interested in buying this drive, they got different storage capacity options. I will have a link in the video down below, in the video description. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.